Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world around us. From our daily lives to complex industrial processes, AI is making its mark. It's also changing how we make things. Factories are becoming smarter and more efficient thanks to AI. In manufacturing, AI is making a big difference. It's revolutionizing production lines and enhancing productivity. AI is like a smart helper in factories. It works alongside humans, making tasks easier and more precise. It can learn and solve problems. This adaptability allows AI to handle complex tasks that were once thought impossible. This helps companies make things better and faster. Efficiency and quality are both improved with AI integration. One exciting area where AI is helping is in creating perfect joints. Precision is key in manufacturing, and AI ensures it. Joints are where two parts connect. They need to be strong and precise to ensure the product's durability. Think of a chair leg attaching to the seat. If the joint is weak, the chair won't be stable. A strong and precise joint is important for a good chair. AI ensures that each joint is perfect, providing strength and stability. AI is helping to make these joints perfect every time. This consistency is crucial for high-quality manufacturing. AI uses smart technology to create perfect joints. This technology is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry by ensuring that every joint is precise and reliable. The use of AI in this field is not just about automation. It's about achieving a level of accuracy that was previously unattainable. One important technology is computer vision. This technology allows machines to see and interpret their surroundings, much like how humans use their eyes. It plays a crucial role in identifying and analyzing the components that need to be joined. Cameras and sensors act like the eyes of a computer. They are strategically placed along the assembly line to capture detailed images and data of the parts being processed. These devices are essential for gathering the necessary information to ensure precision. They capture images of the parts being joined. These high-resolution images provide a clear view of the components, allowing the AI system to detect even the smallest imperfections or misalignments. The AI system then analyzes these images. Using advanced algorithms, it processes the data to identify any issues that could affect the quality of the joint. This analysis is done in real time, ensuring that any problems are addressed immediately. It looks for any imperfections or misalignments. These could be tiny cracks, slight misalignments, or other defects that could compromise the integrity of the joint. The AI's ability to detect these issues is what makes it so valuable in manufacturing. This information is sent to robotic arms. These robotic arms are equipped with the latest technology to interpret and act on the data they receive. They are the executors of the AI's decisions. These arms are like the hands of the AI system. They move with precision and accuracy, making adjustments as needed to ensure that each part is perfectly aligned before joining. The robotic arms use the information to adjust their movements. They fine-tune their actions based on the data provided